Hello everyone, I'm Mrs. Hollywood and I want to welcome you all to my new fashion content channel. I'm so thrilled to start this project because I have a deep passion for fashion. Didn't realize that was going to rhyme. Every day I intentionally put together outfits to showcase my style, whether I'm working, running errands, working from home, going to the gym, taking a stroll, dogs on a walk. Okay, that's enough, etc., etc. I so look forward to sharing my journey with you. We'll also learn a part of who I am as someone who loves to be silly, joke around, and on top of that, just to have fun. I'm just excited to start this venture. So just know we're gonna have a great time. I cannot say enough how excited I am to begin this journey. And also stay tuned because at the end of this clip, I'm gonna share a few of my video recordings that I made from the very beginning of getting this recording room all together, just because I want to showcase the process of creating my new channel. So please, without further ado, please make sure you like, share, and subscribe to my channel, and let's get started. But I would not do that without giving my OOTD. So my sweater, oh, I love this sweater. Look at the sleeves. So this is from nakedwardrobe.com. I'm gonna link it down below, of course, in the description box. I'm actually wearing a really cute, simple white bodysuit, long sleeve bodysuit underneath. From Banana Republic, and then this skirt, it's from Zara, and then some cute, just simple sling back pumps that I got probably a couple of years ago from Express. They're black, and then look, you guys, I'm really gonna add my little touch of flair. I told my husband he better get my autograph now before I make it way too much into Hollywood. I love these glasses, you guys. These are from Amazon, like maybe 12 bucks. But look at the shade of tint on them. Like I can wear these in the mall, I can wear these indoors, and they're not that dark color sunglass where you're like, really, you gotta wear sunglasses at night. They're just fun. Cute little tint. It has been such a moment to come. Hello everyone, Mrs. Hollywood here. I want to go over the idea that I'm working with my husband about this bedroom. And as you can see now, this has turned into a storage room with all my shoes. So yes, it seems very excessive. I am working on that. So first of all, I've decided the colors I'm gonna go with for painting of the walls. I found this beautiful tricorn black paint color. So this is going to be my accent wall with the actual just completely, it's gonna be the tricorn black paint color. Tricorn or tricone? I'll look that up. So obviously the bed is gonna go. I gotta figure out how I'm going to store these shoes. And this wall, the selected pink color that I can see that would go very well with the black paint. I would love to turn this room into more so of a closet, walk-in closet, and my recording studio. I am the type, when I am revamping a room, remodeling a room, I have to feel it on the inside most of the time. So for now, right, my vision is not complete until I at least finish with the painting of the walls. Obviously, this thing has to go. That is so not me. If I'm Mrs. Hollywood, this is not Hollywood style whatsoever, but that's gonna come in due time. I already have an idea of what I wanna do to have a beautiful chandelier, similar to a chandelier, but it has the fan aspect too. I am so excited. I love fashion, I love shoes. I just love it all. Give me a reason to go somewhere and to go out. I love putting an outfit together. And so I've decided at this time in my life, I want to try something different. So I have done a remodeling of a girlfriend of mine, probably about like 2-3 years ago, of her massage studio that she has. I didn't do very well doing or getting before and after photos. I have revamped my office, still finishing it up. Again, did not do a good job taking before photos and after photos. I've done a few other projects, and this time my husband was like, you have to do it now. And the way this room looks, normally I would say absolutely not. I would want everything picture perfect, but I realize you can't get the understanding of someone's gift if you don't see what something looked like the before and then what the after is. That's how you get to see and actually appreciate the final product. So I'm going to take videos throughout each aspect of getting this room all together. That way you guys can see and understand more of my style, more of my gift, because it's going to be my personality, my flair, my touch that is added into this, Mrs. Hollywood's touch. I have the black, and this weekend just get the painting done. And whatever comes from that painting, right, of the walls is going to allow me to get what's gonna come next, because right now I don't know what I actually would do next. But stay tuned.